You heard the music. I know you heard the music. You know what time it is. It's me, your girl, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. Yeah, my voice is coming back. You know, I was able to hit that high note. Okay. So if you're not subscribed to the channel right now is the time to subscribe. Make sure your notification bell's on. So anytime I upload in this thing, you, yeah, you are alerted. So they're doing the sale on the Wallflowers for $3.95. I think this sale is a major pass. There's no reason to shop this sale unless you're dire for Wallflowers. $3.95 is ridiculous. I remember when it used to be $2.95. I don't mind $3.25, but when you bump it up to $3.95, no, I'm not shopping that sale. And the crazy thing is the 2-packs are going for $7.90. They were just $6.50 yesterday. So no, this sale to me is a pass. But if you need things like limoncello, mahogany teakwood high intensity is another good one. It gives a really, really good throw. If you wanted something very fresh, what is it? Fresh sheets or something, and then cotton, something like that is what you'll be looking for. But for me, that sale is a major fail. Like, no, you're insulting our intelligence at this point. Now, hand sanitizers, $3.25. Y'all know I live for this sale, and it's because that one time when I missed that sale, now I live for this sale. Like, I do want the pink pineapple sunrise. Island margarita is definitely a love of mine. Do I need it, though? Do I need it? No, I don't. So I don't know if I'm going to get pink pineapple sunrise or island margarita, but I am going to be picking up one of them because I'm going to be filming in stores for you today. I just don't know which one to choose. I have no idea. And celebrate Women's History Month. Okay? I didn't even know it was Women's History Month. No wonder why I was born in March, because I'm that woman. Okay? That chick. Let me stop. But it's Women's History Month. They ain't interview me though, so I don't know what's up with that Bath and Body Works. Why you ain't interview me? I'm gonna do my own interview. Okay, my name is Tina Marie. I do YouTube. I'm a mom and I got a full-time job. Ow, yeah, I'm hitting on all cylinders. I likes to party. I likes to smell good, and I likes candles. How you doing? Okay, so that's my interview. All right. Now, some people talk about the apps, that the app is not working like it should be. I know sometimes I have problems with the app, but I was blaming my internet. Y'all, I would blame my internet. Anytime the app act up, I blame my internet, and then I turn off the Wi-Fi, and then I use it without Wi-Fi, and it seems to fix it. So I was thinking it was my internet, but a lot of people are saying it is not the internet, It is the issue with the app, that the app is not that good. So I'm like, oh, it's the app. So that was the problem, the app. So, yeah, that's that upon that. So if you're having problems with the app, let me know below, because they need to fix it. If it's really working that bad and that slow, it does need to be fixed. Normally the fix for me is I just turn off my Wi-Fi, but and I refresh it, and then I go in. And then I go into shop, and then I don't seem to have much issue. So if you guys are not checking out body care _in_ candles, you need to be. Okay? Channel is lit. All right? Now, they stopped at a local store and was able to find a lot of DW Home candles. Now, the great place to get them from, Tjmaxx, because that's where she got them from. But Tjmaxx, you got Marshalls, you got Ross. Okay, those are the places that you want to go to get the candles, because you can get them for $12.99 and the smaller ones for $7.99 versus ordering off their website. Now, you do have to sometimes wait, because until they hit that store, meaning that they're a little bit behind, a season behind or something like that. But I'll wait for a cheaper price for DW Homes, because DW Homes is either it's going to hit and it's going to slap, or it's going to miss and it's going to fall flat. And I don't want to pay regular price for something that's going to fall flat, because I'm not in the mood to fall flat. I'm trying to be all that, But that tropical nectar, that looks interesting. So I think I need to get back into Tjmaxx. Actually, I'm going to Marshalls today because I'm going to film for y'all in Marshalls. So I'm hoping I can, come across tropical nectar so I can smell it to see what that do. Very intrigued. So if you're not following Sense Galore, you must be under a rock. Sense Galore is that chick. But somebody shared with her the butterfly candle. Like, okay, butterfly, it is cute. I ain't gonna knock it. Like, they do butterflies every year, and to see them finally bring back another butterfly collection, since they do butterflies so much, I think that's pretty cool. So this candle, I think I want it for collector's purposes, probably not even for the smell, because the body care and butterfly, that's the ish I don't like. Like, I'm going to use some more of my butterfly stuff, and then I think I'm going to do it. That's the ish I don't like, the butterfly collection, because that really is the ish I don't like, is that butterfly collection. Like, I don't know. So that'll probably be that's the ish I don't like. Now, this is who I need to check out, okay? Michelle Fabulous. Follow her on IG. Comment on her latest picture. Let her know Tina Marie sent you. She inboxed me the new butterfly stuff she picked up. So they had the whip body lotion. They had that one. Well, not body lotion, body butter. And then they had the perfume out. And then she got Pastel Skies, of course. I ain't picking up none of that stuff. None of that. I don't give about none of that. About none of that. It's pretty to see. It is absolutely gorgeous. But the smells ain't smelling. Like, I don't know. I can't do the smells of those ones. So, I'm going to end it with this. Y'all know funny or education? Today we doing funny. It's Monday. Okay, we don't need to be too serious today. We need to relax, okay? Okay, me telling my dog that if he speaks to me, I'll keep a secret. So it's just like their 6-year-old self saying that to the dog. And the dog looking at her like, the heck? Bark? What else you want? Bark? But I used to say that when I seen animals. I'd be like, just talk. I won't say anything. And I think that was because of Dr. Dolittle. You remember that movie? And the animals was talking? So that made me feel like, just say something. I won't say nothing. But if it really says something, you would lose your stuff. Yeah, that's how I feel. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe. My voice is not 100%, but it's going to get there. We getting there little by little every day. All right. And DJ, one time for the people that can talk to the animals in the back. Play my music.